Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about how I style my wig from Curlsqueen, and this video is in collaboration with them, of course. So I've actually done a few videos before with them, so you can check out those videos here, and it's all about how I style the, the curly clip-ins. And I did a tutorial for beginners, like a really easy beginner friendly tutorial. So if you're looking for hair to match your texture and you want to mix it up a little bit, then go ahead and check those videos out. This is the Brazilian virgin hair, and it is in texture 3B to 3C. I usually get 3C to 4A to match my texture a bit more, but I wanted to try something different, so I opted for the looser curls. And like I said, this hair is very versatile. You can wear in a ponytail, a full wig, and also the half wig. And in the packaging, you can see in the cutaway here, you know how it looks. So what I've done, I've gone ahead and actually co-washed it. So I co-washed it with Neo Curly, these products, just any co-wash, it doesn't really matter. So the hair is currently wet at the moment, and I was gonna wait for it to dry, but I thought, you know what, let's just do it straight away. I noticed though when I was watching it, oh my god, it's so soft, and it was very easy to detangle. They sent me a detangler as well, so I've just kind of go ahead and detangle it. So you can see there's no products in here at all, but it's actually very easy to detangle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add some leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to add some styling gel as well, just so I can bring out the curls a bit more. So I'll go ahead and do that quickly. Okay, so because this is going to be like a lazy kind of hair tutorial, my hair is actually in a bun and I've just kind of plaited it. So this is going to be a great protective style if you don't really want to mess with your hair a bit much. So I'm going to just neaten up the front a little bit, get my baby hairs laid and stuff like that. And funny enough, I actually haven't used Eco Style gel in ages. So I'm actually just using this gel from Bless This Pink. I think these hair are a little bit laid now. I'm not going to tie it. Normally I would sort of, wrap it a little bit, but, another time, another place. So I've got my handy dandy head cap. Not head cap, wig cap. I'm going to do that because I've just kind of popped it here. So do that. Long. So this is what it looks like. You can see that it is still wet. And then this hair does come with, I think, 4 different clips. So it comes with clips all around, so you can see the front, 2 at the sides, and then 1 at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that bad boy on. So we're gonna do the front bit first. So the front bit is here. Oh gosh, okay. And I'll do this other side as well. And I'll do the back bit as well. So I'm gonna tighten it up just to fit on my head. Oh, that's handy, that's a lot better actually. See if I can hide that somewhere. Okay. And I may add some more gel just to kind of run my hands through it. But you can see it's got really fine curls because it's still wet. But it looks good, jeez. Like, what do you guys think? That was simple. I did not even do much. I haven't even covered this bit yet, but I think it looks really cute. And the hair's so soft. Myself a microfiber towel. I'm going to dry it a little bit just because I'm getting a little bit impatient. I do think that made it a little bit frizzier, but it's fine. I'm just going to add a little bit more gel just to kind of smooth out certain bits. But I think that's pretty much this style is done. You just have to wait for it to dry, or I can, go ahead and use a diffuser. I actually quite like the looser texture look, rather than the bigger hair. I quite like how it looks. Let me show you guys the back. Okay, so let's play around with some accessories. Personally, for me, what I will do if I'm not doing anything crazy, I'll just use like a plain, you know, headband. Let's see if I can do that. So if I wanted something low key and I wanted to hide the, you know, the sort of, what do you call this bit at the front, then I'll just use this, because this is like an everyday thing. You can't really see it. It's very low key. It's very subtle, very natural, and you can go to work. You know what I mean? See? And of course, your girl can style it. Let me see if I can style it this way. Okay, so I can also put this hair into a low bun. I think now that the hair is starting to dry a little bit more, you can start to see a little bit more volume occurring. And obviously you can have it a bit more laid back or a bit frizzier. Obviously I think this doesn't really go with my outfit, but if I was to wear like a plain white top or a plain, you know, black top or something, it would look really, really cute. So this is pretty much how I'll wear it as a half wig, and so far I've done quite a few styles already, and I can even put it up, you know, like this. Yeah, this is like a messy sort of half up, half down, but you know, it still looks fairly decent. Yeah. Okay, so the final way to wear this wig, okay, not the final way, but another way is obviously to rock this as a, you know, add-on ponytail. So I'm actually going to do a low ponytail. I normally would, I think this hair would look really nice up in like a high ponytail, but we're going to do a low ponytail for now. And I just love a, you know, like a easy ponytail. So let's just go ahead and attach this here. And I'm going to go ahead and attach the sides as well. So this is pretty much the second way I would rock it. The back bit isn't perfect, but you know, I would have to sort of take some more time, but I think it looks cute. Okay guys, so that's pretty much all the ways I would style this hair. It is very, very lightweight, and I just love the texture. How it feels is really easy to work with, and it's very, very versatile. I'm obviously going to do like a high ponytail as well. I'm going to try and see if I can blend my own hair in with it, so I don't always have to, you know, use like a headband. So I might do that in a separate video or like a reel or something, just to make it really quick. But all the details for this hair will be in the description box and below if you have any questions. If you've tried this hair already before, or like a wig cap, you know, let me know what your thoughts are. As usual, I really appreciate if you thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it or you found it helpful. Comment below and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you so much, Curlsqueen, for sponsoring this video. And as usual, I'll catch you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.